The story, The Clever Goat. In a village, a goat named Shilu lived in a farmer's house. She had 3 children. She loved her children very much and took great care of them. There was a dense forest near the village in which many wild animals lived. Shilu was always scared that her children might get lost and go into the forest by mistake. So she always explained to her children that this is a very dangerous forest and they should never go into it because there are many dangerous wild animals living there. One day, the farmer's son was talking to one of his friends and was saying, "These days, very beautiful green grass is growing in the forest." The youngest goat child was listening to this and remembering the green grass. The child thought, why not go to the forest and enjoy the green grass? That child forgets everything told by his mother about the jungle in the greed of eating green grass and hiding from the other children. He slowly goes towards the jungle. As soon as he reached the jungle, he found 4 jackals on the way, and seeing this child, the jackals started thinking that today is going to be a lot of fun as they will get to eat fresh food. Thinking this, the 4 jackals started coming near the baby goat and started talking among themselves that today God has listened to us and has sent us this fresh food. On the other hand, in the village, when the goat Shilu did not find one of her children there, she became very upset and she set out towards the forest to search for her child. After going some distance into the forest, she saw her child who was surrounded by jackals. Seeing this, Shilu got frightened at first, but soon she composed herself and started thinking about saving her child's life. Then a clever idea came to her mind and she said to the jackals, "There is no need to be too happy. Why do you think I left my child here? The king of the jungle, the lion, had asked both of us to come here and has put this elephant on guard against us." The goat pointed towards an elephant which was standing at a short distance from them. Hearing the fearless words of the goat, the jackals started thinking, "This goat is speaking the truth. If we eat the goat and its child, the Lion King will come to know and he will not spare us." Seeing the elephant standing near the tree at some distance, the jackals were completely convinced that this goat is definitely speaking the truth, and all 4 of them left from there without eating the goat. The goat Shilu felt relieved after the jackals left and she started towards her village with her child. They had just taken a few steps forward when from a distance, a lion was coming towards them as another trouble. As soon as the lion saw the goat and its kid, the lion jumped in front of the goat and its kid in a single leap. Seeing this, the little kid became very frightened and clung to his mother. Seeing no way to escape, the goat again used her brain and said to the lion, "Lion King, you are surely thinking of eating us, but your lioness has to save us for you and has said that when my Lion King comes, she will gift you fresh food. If you don't believe it, ask the crow who is keeping watch on the instructions of your lioness." The lion saw a crow sitting on a tree at some distance. He was about to move towards him to ask him when a thought came to his mind that, "Surely that goat is telling the truth because a goat cannot dare to lie to me, the king of the jungle," and he turned back without asking the crow. Thinking about what the goat said, the lion becomes very happy and without wasting much time, he quietly goes towards his cave, thinking that the lioness will hunt and bring a goat and its kids for him. Filled with joy, he starts waiting for the lioness to return. After the lion left, the goat and her child started running towards their village again, but as if it was their fate that they had to give one more test today, after covering some distance, a lioness suddenly appeared in front of them. The lioness becomes very happy to see them both and she starts thinking, "Today I will hunt them and present fresh food to the lion, which will make him happy." Thinking this, as soon as the lioness reaches near them, the goat starts smiling at her. Smiling fearlessly, Shilu the goat says to her, "Lioness, you must be thinking of eating us, but the Lion King has kept us safely as a gift for you for the future and has said, today I am killing a very gentle and beautiful deer for my lioness and taking it with me, but next time I will kill you myself and take you for my beloved lioness. Enjoy this life for a few more days." Hearing about the deer for today's dinner and the lion's desire to kill the goat for himself, the lioness becomes very happy and goes back to her cave without hunting the goat and her child. On the other hand, as soon as the lioness left, The goat ran towards the village with her child and breathed a sigh of relief only after reaching her destination. Today she was very happy that her life and that of her child had been saved. Shilu's other two children ask her, "Mother, where did you go suddenly leaving us here?" To which the younger child who was with the goat tells them the story of his mother's courage, to which they ask, "Mother, how did you face such a big lion?" On this, Shilu explains to her children very lovingly and says, "My children, to win, we do not need just strength but more than that, we need wisdom and patience, using which at the right time, we can face even the biggest challenge." This story, full of the patience and wisdom of the clever goat, teaches that mental understanding used with courage and patience is more important than physical strength, the correct use of which can successfully face even the biggest challenges.